Discover the future of technology with TechBee's latest gadget, designed to simplify your life and boost your productivity. The Back Transformer is a versatile wearable support designed for instant posture transformation and relief from back strain. Experience powerful posture, rapid physical and mental benefits, and relief from excess strain, pain, and tension. It lifts and holds you in optimum spinal alignment, helping you develop foundational muscles and a strong core. Lightweight, portable, and made in the USA with the highest quality materials, the Back Transformer is your go-to solution for powerful posture and lasting relief. Is knee pain keeping you from your daily activities? Get relief in just 15 minutes with KneeFlow. This unique 3-in-1 massage therapy device uses soft massage airbags, infrared light, and heat therapy for lasting comfort. Whether dealing with osteoarthritis, injury recovery, or post-workout soreness, KneeFlow is your solution. Personalize your therapy sessions and leave knee pain behind. Get back to doing what you love with KneeFlow, the smart choice for knee pain relief. Are you ready for smarter health monitoring? Meet CMate, the all-in-one health monitor. No more needles, CMate provides real-time, painless blood sugar monitoring. As diabetes rises, CMate's non-invasive tech offers cost-effective and comfortable solutions. It delivers precise body data, personalized health insights, and advanced app functionality. Enjoy comprehensive, intelligent health management with CMate. It's your personal health assistant, offering tailored exercise and diet recommendations. Introducing Thermonex Dual-Degree Cooling Care. Born from a mission to combat heat and exhaustion, Thermonex offers long-lasting, effective cooling. Our latest version provides superior temperature control without relying on indoor AC. Thanks to your support, Degger Inc. is committed to developing all-natural thermal care products. Enjoy Thermonex and look forward to our new lineup with rapid condition recovery features. Your satisfaction is our priority, with free repair services for any product defects for 1 year. Stay cool and comfortable with Thermonex. VentiCross Registered is the world's first invisible nasal dilator designed to improve and promote healthy nasal breathing. Ideal for those with nasal obstructions like deviated septum, narrow nasal passages, and more. We're excited to unveil our second version, now easier to insert and more stable. Use VentiCross Registered anytime you struggle to breathe through your nose, whether sleeping, exercising, or working. Support our crowdfunding project to revolutionize nasal breathing and enhance lives. Join us in making a tangible difference with VentiCross Registered. Stay hydrated and healthy with the Lark Bottle Puravis 2. This innovative bottle offers 2-stage filtration and advanced Puravis trademark technology, eliminating up to 99.9999% of biocontaminants like E. coli, and salmonella. Track your hydration goals, receive customized reminders, and enjoy cleaner, better-tasting water. The self-cleaning feature activates every 2 hours, keeping your bottle fresh and odor-free. Connect with the Lark app for insights and integration with Apple Health. Drink brilliantly with the Lark Bottle Puravis 2, where technology meets hydration. Introducing the ProTech Charging Cable, your ultimate solution to keeping your phone safe and charged at an affordable price. Ever dropped your phone and felt that sinking feeling? We understand the heartbreak of a cracked screen and expensive repairs. That's why we've designed ProTech to not only charge your phone efficiently, but also safeguard it from accidental drops. Inspired by a simple yet ingenious idea, ProTech combines durability with style, ensuring your phone stays protected wherever you go. Available in black or orange, and with Type-C to Type-C or Type-C to Lightning connectors, it supports high-speed charging up to 65 watts and seamless data transfer. Forget the hassle of forgetting your charger. ProTech keeps you connected and worry-free. Back our campaign today and secure your peace of mind. Introducing Teak DMX lighting tech in the palm of your hand. Experience Hollywood-grade animated effects and dynamic lighting moods instantly from your phone or computer at a fraction of the cost. Teak offers ultra-bright, flicker-free wireless RGB WDMX technology that works seamlessly with your devices. Create stunning, synchronized lighting with sound-reactive effects and customizable palettes. Whether for filmmaking, stage shows, or events, Teak's portable sizes 20 and 40 inches ensure you can light up any space. Back us on Indiegogo and discover the future of dynamic lighting with Teak. Introducing Bob, the new way to wash. Bob is a refillable body wash for men, featuring our unique Bob bars, designed to match a man's skin pitch of 5.5. Created by Mike, Will, and Max, Bob combines washing, moisturizing, and scrubbing in one. Whether at home, work, the gym, or on the go, Bob fits discreetly in your bag and eliminates the need for plastic bottles. Join us on Kickstarter to be one of the first to experience Bob. Introducing the M1, compact multi-tool for techies and hackershello world. I am the M1, your all-in-one tech companion, designed by and for tech enthusiasts. Faster than a speeding kernel wizard, more powerful than brute force attacks, and able to analyze frequencies with a single button, the M1 puts you in control. Efficient, adaptable, and sleek, the M1 integrates multiple hacking and penetration tools into a pocket-sized design. Analyze frequencies, capture data, and emulate signals effortlessly. With the STM32H microcontroller, infrared learning, RFID capabilities, and NFC technology. Introducing the Vibus Bite Healer, Tense Itching Relief. Say goodbye to itchy mosquito bites with this chemical-free solution. Using heat and blue light, it breaks down histamines and increases blood circulation for fast relief. Safe for everyone, including children and pregnant women, Vibus promotes skin metabolism and accelerates healing. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. With a durable aluminum casing and rechargeable battery, it ensures over 400 uses per charge. Introducing the Vexite MK1 series, the future of e-bikes is here. Born from a passion for vehicles, Vexite offers sporty, futuristic bikes that redefine urban transportation. The MK1 is sleek and efficient, perfect for commuting with a 3,000 watts motor, 40 miles per hour top speed, and 110-mile range. For thrill seekers, the MK1R boasts a 5,000 watts motor, 65 miles per hour top speed, and advanced performance features. Both models include RGB chromatic Lada panels, ensuring visibility and a cool, customizable look. In a world dominated by technology, discover the elegance of OneBox 2.0, a fusion of natural beauty and modern functionality. Crafted from the finest precious woods, OneBox 2.0 showcases unique grain patterns and mastery in mortise and tenon construction, ensuring strength and elegance. This revolutionary gadget features expandable storage spaces, a built-in pen holder, and a wireless charging phone stand, perfect for modern life. OneBox 2.0 is designed for everyone, from students to professionals, making it the ultimate blend of tradition and innovation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget like and subscribe.